Good evening.
Good evening.
I've seen you in a lot of stages.
Likewise, I've seen you.
Yes. Okay. I only have one question for you. What do Botswana diamonds mean to you?
Thank you for that question. I actually adore how that question is asked and how it's phrased because it depends on how I feel about Botswana diamonds. And when I think about a Botswana diamond, I think of myself because I think about how it's made, and I went through a lot in my previous life, and I've been so much, and I say my previous life because I'm a whole new person now, I'm a diamond now. And when I think about everything that I've been through to become who I am now, to be the diamond that I am now, I am super proud of myself and I'm happy with everything I've achieved. And I think about how I shine and how I stand with so much confidence, and I can articulate myself and be in front of stages and people as immaculate as everybody in this room and say, I am a diamond myself. Thank you so much.